Assalamu alaikum viewers, myself Mohammad Imran. Today I have a new tutorial and which is how to download and install Mysql, the world's most popular open source database. Okay, so keep open your eyes, too much interesting. Let's start how to download and install Mysql. First of all, open your browser, go to google.com and write here mysql download. Wait for some while. You can see here is the first link, mysql downloads. Click on it. It will take some time according to your internet speed. So directly we are in downloads. So if you are Windows user, you have to visit Windows. If you something else, then find your own. Click on Windows. It will directly go to the MSC installers and we want to install it. So MySQL installer, sorry, it will take some time. Okay, so now how downloads Windows and installer, MySQL installer. Here you can see two links. So you have to link Windows 32-bit MS installer 18.5 MB. So click on it, download. You can see if you are using something else, download manager. I am not using any download manager. It will say it takes some time and the file will be downloaded. So I don't require any login or sign up, so just no thanks, just start my download. And you can see that the download has been started now. So find your file. I have my own MySQL installer. Double click on it. It will take some time to prepare to install. Please wait while for Windows. And you can see two options. You have to press yes. Okay. Wait for some while. It will. Now it is installing. Again it will show you the dialog box, yes or no. Okay, yes. Now wait. Now it's preparing the files for license agreement, then find latest product, something like that, setup type, check requirements, and after some time you can see here you can MySQL installer 1.4. so finding all installed packages. So license agreement, click I accept the license terms. If you want to read, just read it out. Click check the I accept the license terms. Click on next. So you have to developer default, because if you will choose server only, you can't see any of them like server, shell, router, workbench. Workbench is used for directly user interface workbench, Visual Studio, something else. Everything you can find in developer default. Server only, client only, the specification you can include in developer default. You have to select developer default. Click on next. So the files are going to start up. You have to execute it. It will take some time. So here is the file, new window prompt, I agree, install. So the file is processing. Just wait and watch how is it working or not. Close. So the files are preparing, and again install. Close. Second one. Now third one. Just wait and watch. Pair. Okay. Close. Third one. MySQL. Pair. Because the files have already been installed in my computer, so that's why. Again shell connected ODBC. close, successful connector. So I have not installed Python 3.4 is, so there is none. Okay, just click on repair, there is no need. Okay, close. So now click, now all the files have been installed correctly. If you want to install Python, you have to install it on your laptop or something else. So click on next. One or more products required have not been satisfied. Those products with missing requirements will not be installed, upgraded. Do you wish to continue? Of course I want to continue, yes. So just execute all the files. It will take some time and ready to download. You have to wait for some, you can see that progress 1%, 22, try again. Let me try again because MySQL for actual I also want it. And you can say the MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL notifier. So it will take some time, just wait. The files are going to be downloaded. You can say that the file which have been downloaded is showing that that one is completed, and the some are pending. So it is pursuant to mention here that wait for some while, be patient, it will be downloaded according to your internet speed. You can also show details, download, hide details. So just one is waiting. When all the files will be downloaded, now 100%, and you can see that the execute button will be enabled for you. So last one is pending. Okay, wait. 81, 82, 84, 95, 96. The time is over. Now MySQL notifier, MySQL outer is also upgrading. It will take some time according to the specifications. When all the file will be downloaded, the execute button will be enabled in front of you. Just wait. Hope so it will not take some more time. Installing connector.net connector. Progress. The file will be completed automatically. You have to wait. Now last one, MySQL for Visual Studio. Mostly we use MySQL for Visual Studio. So just wait and watch. 92%. I think so. After installing the MySQL for Visual Studio, you can see that the execute button will be enabled. The file has been stuck out. Just wait for a while until the file has been completed. It is taking some time. So you can also visit my YouTube channel until the file has been completed, youtube.com. Here you can write Muhammad Imran Amy, and this is my channel. You can also subscribe my channel to to click on it to visit my videos, to get updates and something like that. So recently I have updated the how to detect and delete virus without using any software, how to hide friend list, and how to download. There are many more, show more. So there are more videos. You can visit my channel, and in upcoming days I will try to upgrade it with new versions, and still 92%. So it has been completed. MySQL shell 1.09. Sometime it takes time. So it's up to your products, it up to your laptop, computer, something like that. Sometime it takes time and sometime it not. And MySQL shell 1.0.9, all the files have been completed. Now complete, download it. Now before, sometime it takes time to download the files, then it install. Now you can see that it is installing the packages. So complete, workbench failed. Also MySQL workbench will be updated soon. These all files are completed, downloaded and installed. Now the MySQL server 92, MySQL workbench, okay, show details, next, then click next. So I want to standalone MySQL server. There is nothing. If someone's try to DB cluster sandbox test setup, then they can check here. I don't want to. I just want to standalone MySQL server. Next. So these are TCP/IP port number is 3306. If you want to change it, then you can also do it. Just I want to make it default. Just click on next. So here you can set your password for MySQL root. So you have to select. So this one is my password. You can set it by your own self. You can also add your user. I don't want to, so just MySQL by default. Next, configure Windows service name MySQL 57. Start the SQL. When the system will be start, the MySQL services will be started. And standard system account, custom user, just make it default. Click on next. There is no need extra port number because the port number is 3306 as we did it before some time. Click on next. So execute all the files. It will take time to execute it. You can see when all the files will be completed, the MySQL installer will be completed, and you can use it in your own system. So just wait for some while. Again, the video is containing a lot of time just because of updating, downloading, installing the file. So by using these type of videos, you can also do it by your own self. Okay, now all the files have been completed. Service status change. So MySQL status from stop to running. So click on fix. Again next. So all the files have been completed. So just click on finish. Next. Connect to server. Okay. The by default username is root and password is your own. So if you want to check, okay, great. Your connection is successfully connected. So click on next. So again execute all the files so that apply configuration apply to the MySQL installer. So just running scripts, stopping server, then execute. Just wait for a while. MySQL is a good database which is open source, and you can download it and use it for your softwares. If you want to use database, finish. Okay, if you want to copy log to clipboard, then just click on it, it will be copied. Start MySQL shell after startup. Okay, finish. And you can see that the MySQL has been started. Let it try. MySQL server, you can see that MySQL shell, MySQL server, MySQL shell. Oh, here you can see that now I have to check either the MySQL is working or not. Okay, syntax error because the path has not been adjusted. So first of all, cmd MySQL, you can say that MySQL is not recognized as an internal command. To fix this error, you have to set the path according to the condition. First of all, keep open your eyes, go to C drive and program 86 and just find out the MySQL. Here MySQL and MySQL for Excel connector, all the files have been containing. MySQL server, MySQL, here MySQL server, here bin, and copy the path. Bin MySQL. Okay, just control C and just you have to go to this PC, right click and properties, advanced system options, environment variables, and here you can see that path. You can also add new path, here is the path, here is the value. Now click OK. Now just click OK. Now path has been adjusted. If you come to MySQL, still it creating problem, mysql.exe. So you have to come again, copy, copy and right click, properties, advanced, environment table, path, you can path, edit, here semicolon, here control V. Now click OK and OK and OK, and now again rerun cmd MySQL. Here you can see that error 1045, access denied for user or DBC localhost using password. So just write here MySQL user, which is root np, MySQL user root, and the password is, now you can see that MySQL user, which is by default root, np password, here password 786, and now you can use it MySQL. So show database and semicolon, show databases. Okay, now you can select that your files have been updated and you can learn a lot of things by creating databases. You can see that information schema is similar. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.